to my channel and welcome if you're new. It's Friday before Christmas, so Christmas is on Wednesday and well, Christmas Day is on Wednesday, and it's Friday before. I've just finished work and just walking Nero out in town, and then I'm going to take Atticus. We're going to go to a National Trust house because they've got a Christmas house there, so it'll be really nice. I'll give him a little walk there, maybe grab a coffee. Then I'll pop into Aldi as well for the last minute shop. They do really cheap veg around Christmas. And have a really nice chill afternoon, read loads and just enjoy. I've been ill this week, so I'm kind of taking it slowly still, so I'll be definitely better by Christmas because Hugo's working nights for the next 3 nights, so he'll be sleeping in the day. But yeah, gonna get Nero walked and then head out with Atticus. Decided today to stay home because the chance of rain was 100% today and it's only 45% tomorrow, so I figured I'll have a homely day today. I wanted to try to make some place cards for Christmas Day. We have been put in charge of the table chocolates and stuff like that, so and drinks, so I figured I could maybe make the place cards with some watercolors. I'll show you the garden in a minute. I have to go out there and do a little bit of tidying up. It is an absolute mess with the fence fixing that we've had to do, so you'll see that. I'll show you guys now. But that is pretty much today. Just a nice home day, and tomorrow, yeah, hopefully we'll take Atticus out on a nice little trip to somewhere. Here is the sad state of our little garden. Obviously here we lost it, so that's the first fence panel, and then we're going to use the old fence panel on the other hole there. But Hugo's working 3 nights now and then it's Christmas, so I'm going to see if I can actually fix that in place. But they're quite heavy to lift, and you've got to lift from the gotta like slot it in from the top, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that. He's obviously sleeping now because he worked all last night. But all the grass we lost, obviously in the winter the grass is not that great anyway, saying that the neighbour's side is fantastic. But because Hugo was working on it for 2 days and it rained and he's been walking on it, we lost all the grass. So next spring's job is to really crack on with the grass, maybe get new turf on there, or hopefully the grass seed will work. But got to fix one of these panels to slot in there. I could hopefully do that because it's missing the bottom, so possibly could use the other one to do that. But yeah, it's just looking like an absolute mess and it's really dirty and sad. So I think I'll go out there today or tomorrow and just put it a bit more together. So and all those trellises, so I need to get new ones for the rose and the honeysuckle because they came out off in the wind. So yeah, not the happiest sight, but I guess this is real life. They're not the best, but I think they're absolutely fine for something that will be binned right after. So I just gotta write people's names in the middle, which is the hardest bit, to be honest. They're pretty quick to make, which is good. So I gotta make 12. Happy Sunday. Me and Atticus, we are on our way to Hay-on-Wye actually. I was meant to go to Ludlow to their Christmas market, but it was cancelled, and thankfully I looked because we've had really high winds. So I only just thought this morning that, oh, I wonder if it's still going ahead. And it wasn't, so my car still said potential icy road conditions. We've had some weird like snow. It was raining in the morning and it was that cold that it came down as snow, but obviously it didn't stick at all and it wasn't much at all. But yeah, anyway, we are going on to Hay-on-Wye. I have only been there once, and we went on a motorbike ride maybe 2 years ago with Hugo.
It's known to be, I think, the book town of England or something like that, something to do with books. There's loads and loads of bookshops, like more than anywhere else apparently. And it was quite a nice town anyway, so I thought I'll just pop in there. It's an hour away, so little bit of a drive, but not too bad. I was really struggling to figure out where to go actually, but I thought because I haven't been there more than once, I'll go there. We have just had a quick hot drink. I got a spiced turmeric latte. Came weirdly in a glass. Not sure if I like that. But the rain has kind of stopped. It's still very windy, but it's spitting a tiny bit. But the sun's coming out. Rain has maybe stopped, so I'm just gonna do a little walk by the river. You can't go in at it because it's far too deep and fast. I have just come home, just fed the dogs. Surprise, does not want his food. Alright. You're right in the... I'm not in the way. I know, I love you too. My hair is crazy, it's always under the hat. So I am gonna have some lunch and finish the Christmas cards tonight, and I think I'm gonna leave the vlog here. So we all wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in 2025. Bye!